when we are in a knowledge economy, that intellectual property plays important role, and we have to understand our capability of creating that intellectual property. Know thyself, know thy competition, that yes, we are in a competitive world. If you are especially in a startups, if you are in entrepreneurship activity or anywhere, that healthy competition is, I will say that healthy competition, it will be there. So, we have to know our competition. So, we have to know the IP related activities which are there around going on. And if we know both, that our intellectual capability to produce IP, the environment in which we are, what different types of IP is created, if we know both very properly, definitely we will able to use it effectively.